What's up guys, welcome to the backline, and in this video we'll show you how to place a bottom bracket, and that's it. We will show you that. And here are the tools that we're going to use today. Alright then, let's get into it. You gotta make sure that you got the grease, okay bro? You have to put it. You don't want to mix it up. Never. You don't want to mix it up. You know what I mean? It's a pain in the ass when you do. Nobody likes that. That was pretty right for me. Okay. Now we're gonna put it with our hand, because if we do it with a toothbrush, it might come out bad. So first we put it with our hand. Make sure it's straight. And we'll put it all the way in until we can't. All right, make sure to do that. All right, you get me? Yeah, you got me. Okay, that's all the way I can do. I'm weak, you know me. Make sure you got the right size for yours. Mine says, I'm not pretty sure, I don't remember well. It's right here. This is my size. Make sure you got yours the right way. Gotta make sure. I would recommend you to put it tight as you can. I don't think so. You have to put it that tight, because you might have a time. Hopefully that's good enough. Now we got our towel. Make sure this stuff is clean as possible. You don't want no dirt on it. Alright? If not, you're gonna get them squeaky noises that nobody likes. Gotta make sure we clean everything. Oh, I forgot to put grease on this. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did. Never do that. I gotta make sure that thing is greasy, slick as possible, you know what I mean? Now we're gonna start putting the chainring part. Let's get it. Make sure that one is up and the other one is down. Easy, you know what I mean? You're gonna need two of these, because depend how yours is, because all of them are different. This one you have to put this one first, then this one. I don't know why, but yeah, how it goes. It's right up here. Make sure to put it straight too. You don't wanna F it up. The thing is, I don't know how much do I need to do it. There you go. But I'll figure it out. Now we put this one on, but I need this one now. Pretty. I'm putting a little bit on the inside, and I'm gonna start putting it on. Make sure that thing is clean. Literally. It seems like I'm gonna have to do it this way. Yes, that is the way. I think that's good enough. That looks pretty good. That seems that is good enough now. Now I think I'm gonna have to put the pedals on, then the chain. I should have put the chain first, but I forgot to do that. Here comes the halfway easy part, because they give you a headache. But yeah, make sure you put the right side on the right one, alright? Because I almost got confused there for a second. I'm gonna put it with my hands first. I forgot which one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yeah, that's good enough. Now we have to put the left now. So I'm gonna count this. You don't want them squeaky pedals, you know what I mean? You hate to hear that. Now we have to put this thing on. Oh my god. We're putting it wrong the whole time. Get up. There we go. Now to put the chain on and the final. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit hard to do. I should have put it on first, but I didn't think about that. Now it's gonna be even harder. Great. Never mind. It looks like it'll be kinda easy. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you put the chain in the right spot. Seems like you got a little bit of relaxing, but seems like it's good now. I guess this is the end of the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the notification stuff, the bell, and I'll see y'all later.